Hi, I'm Robbie. Hi, I'm Susie.
Hi, I'm Miss Carly, the teacher. It's time for
Playtime
with Robbie and Susie. Bye, Susie. Have a nice day.
Hello. I'm in the garden. Whee! That looks fun, Robbie. What are you doing? I'm sliding into my swimming pool. That sounds sensational. Can I join in? Sure. Whee!
Good morning, Susie. Good morning, Robbie.
Miss Carly!
Looks like you're having lots of fun on your slide, but would you like to play some other games with me today?
Yay!
Which game are we going to play today?
Buzz, buzz, buzz! Picture search!
We're going to play a picture finding game. Are you ready to play? Can you find ants eat the apple? Great job! You found ants eat the apple. Let's feed the picture to Socky. Let's sing the song together. Ants eat the apple, ah ah ah. 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 Can you find frogs are fanning? Great job! You found frogs are fanning. Let's feed the picture to Socky. Let's sing the song together. Frogs are fanning, f, f, f. 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 Can you find snakes are sliding? Great job! You found snakes are sliding. Let's feed the picture to Socky. Let's sing the song together. Snakes are sliding, s, s, s. 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 What pictures did we discover today? Ants eat the apple. Ah, ah, ah. Frogs are fanning. F, f, f. Snakes are sliding. S, s, s.
Yay!
Thanks for playing games with me today. I'll see you next time.
Bye! Hey, Robbie, I was just wondering if we could, maybe we could I go on your slide again? Yeah, of course. You only have to ask. Oh, look! Those snakes are sliding into a puddle. Snakes are sliding? That's just like in our favourite song.
Snakes are sliding, s, s, s. Snakes are sliding, s, s, s.
Looks like playtime is about to finish. Today was the best, most exciting, most fantastic day I've ever had. You say that every day, Susie. Bye-bye.